A meat thermometer, also known as a cooking thermometer, is used to measure the internal temperature of meat and other cooked foods. The thermometer helps to ensure that food is cooked to a sufficient temperature to kill pathogens that may cause foodborne illness, and to ensure that bread is done baking. Meat thermometers have a metal probe with a sharp point that is inserted into the meat, and a dial or digital display. There are different types of meat thermometers, including bimetallic strip thermometers, pop-up timers, and electronic sensor thermometers. The probe should be inserted into the thickest part of the meat, but not touching bone, and the suggested temperature varies depending on the type of meat being cooked. Ground meat, poultry, casseroles, and eggs should reach a temperature of 71 degrees Celsius 160 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, while beef, lamb, or veal can be cooked to a range of temperatures depending on the desired degree of doneness.